Hello everyone, this is the second time I'm making this video. First time, I made a huge mistake, and I'm not going to do that again. Alright, so, for this, I'm going to show you how to install characters to CMC Plus 9.3. Now, that's the one at the time, the newest one. So, I already downloaded this one called Kevin Mod, Kevin 9.3. Let me go in there and find it. Manage history. There's Kevin, right here. Kevin. He's a mad lad, as you can see. And he's built. He's pretty built. Okay. So, I downloaded this, all that. Opened the folder, and I moved all these right here into the other files over here. So, example, I did this and this. I started over here, and I opened Fighter and just copied it right here. As you can see, Kevin folder is right there. Now, did the same thing with GFX, FF, GFX, and all that. Now, mugs and series icon is a part of GFX, so you don't need to worry about that. And this folder is a very nice folder. I didn't add this folder or anything, so I'm just over here scrolling through. I'm like, oh, what is this? Nice folder is empty. Your mom gave. Sucks. Stop opening these. Fuck off. And then you get this beautiful man. This is straight from the game files right here. This man, it's beautiful. Oh, okay. Fuck. This isn't part of the video. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry. I have a tendency to act kind of gay. Now, I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with being gay, but I just have a tendency. So, right here, you open this up, it says place character in secret. So, after you've already added all these and copy and move them all, go right here and you open data. You scroll down and you find something called secret. Now, secret is for characters, secret stage is for stages. Like, I can open secret stage, you can see a whole bunch of these. Now, it's basically the same way to add stages, SSS, blah blah blah. You'll figure out what all these mean later. So, place character in secret, I have this open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, Control C, and Control V. So now that's copied, I scroll up, and then this number is the amount of custom characters added. It usually starts with 88, and I already added 5, so now it's 93. So I just added Kevin, so it's going to be 94. Now, click save, and he's officially a fighter in the game now. You can play him, but you cannot choose him quite yet. So, I don't need that anymore. Right now, you need to open CSS full, which stands for character select screen. The other one is SSS, or stage select screen. You open this up and you see this. A whole bunch of text and nonsense. And, well, it's weird to think about. So, I'm going to tell you a little way how I know about it. I look at the secret thing, and I think of this as like a ticket. Every time you add a character in here, they get a ticket. Now, if you think of this as the stadiums, this is a stadium, and these are all the seats. Now, one is Mario. Let me open CMC, and I'll show you that this text is the character select screen. Every character right here okay, so this character, sorry, that kind of messed me up. Everyone right here, that's the entire way of this. Like, you see one right here. One is Mario. 5 is Luigi. Shrek is 0141. Now you notice next to Shrek there's nothing there, because that's 000. I mean that's 4 zeros. I'm not going to say it all. So, that's nulled. Now, I added a whole nother row of zeros, of the nulls. And then, since I already added 5 characters, I added 5 new numbers. Start at 0154, because that's the first new character you're adding. It's the first custom new character that you can add. There's a whole bunch of other ones. So, 0154 is Ditto, 155 is Ben 10, 157 is Bardock, 158, and 156, 157, 158. And then you'll notice it's a whole nother row because of the zeros. So, I did this row because it's like an organization. I added these characters, so I wanted them in a whole nother row, so I know I added them. If I needed to like change anything or update anything later. So, I'm going to close this. And I saw that worked, and I already added Kevin to the files. So, I'm going to go right here, and then put 159. So Kevin's already got his ticket from the secret thing. Now he just needs he needs a seat. Vegito is 158, and he already has a seat. So 158, 159 should be Kevin. So now I'm going to save it, open it, and I'm going to wait a second, because, well, it takes a long time to load these. Okay. Open this, Crusade, and voila, Kevin's there. So, now, you're pretty much done at this point, but I do want to tell you something first. You go back to CSS full. Now, you want to make sure that there is no spaces right here, or anything different, like if you added an extra letter right here by mistake is an O, don't do that. That'll mess up the entire character select screen. Now, I'm just going to add one space right there. As you can see, nothing else is wrong, out of place, just one space. I'm going to save it, I'm going to go right here, and, well, you'll see. I did sticky keys. Crusade, and this is the character select screen. So, don't add any extra spaces and don't mess around too much with this. Just keep it this format, this block, and don't add anything extra or else you'll mess up the entire thing. Okay, that ends the video. See ya.